So wheel is off to get to the bearing. Brakes are coming off, calipers coming off, rotor's coming off. Strut will be loosened, and if you can see it, it's this bolt right here. After that, we got the tie rod back there that has to come off. The bolts for the wheel bearing sit behind the strut. I know it's tough to see, but you see them there. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. So all that's got to come loose. Arms coming off. Well, not off, but loose.